Morning, or just about to be afternoon, everybody. It's 11:50 and 12 seconds now on Friday, December 21st. This is the Batman Adventures 12, graded 7.5, first Harley Quinn. Over here are the 23 filled spots. Alright, let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. Just to give everybody a heads up, I'm going to be traveling. I'm going to package the book up, upload the tracking, but I might not be able to get this shipped out until Monday, and it's going to be shipped out from where I'm staying. If I have an opportunity to pass by the post office later today, it will get done today. All right? So, again, we're going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list gets the book. So, best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one, 12, spot 18, Brody Stokely. Congratulations. Guess you wanted it bad enough, pal. Again, congratulations. Time is 11:51 and 29.